Hi everyone, and welcome back to week 9 of music. It's hard to believe we're very close to the end of term 3. Well done to all the work that was submitted last week with your landscape music pieces. There were some really creative responses, so thank you for the work that went into those. So today, as you know, we're looking at composition and how that can be electronically made online. So what we're going to do today is we're going to have a look at Blop Opera and be able to create a short 30-second piece of music that uses operatic voices that are layered together to create a music piece. So let's have a look. When you click on the link today, you will open up to this Blop Opera. You need to hit Launch Experiment. When you launch the experiment, it will open up like this. So this will give you an opportunity to have a little bit of a practice. So the first layer that you're going to put in is called the bass. Now to make the sound, you need to push down on him and you can move up and down the pitch scale. Okay, so it's using our knowledge of pitch that we've worked through the last couple of weeks. Then the second Blop drops, and he is the tenor. Now the tenor can go up, but he can also go forwards and backwards, and it will change the vowel sound that they sing together as a pair. Once you've clicked off that one, we then move into the mezzano soprano, and this one is a high note, and the highest voice actually leads the harmony. She can also move backwards and forwards to change the vowel sound. And finally, you will have the soprano, the really high note, moving up and down those octaves. And the other blops will come into play where they will create a harmony. So you've got different pitches coming together to create a harmony. Once you've had a little bit of a go at that, I'll just move me there. You can click on this blop, take the blops on tour. So if you push on that button, let's move that. It'll give you some different countries. So you can choose, I like New York. And not only will it change the background, but it will give you a series of songs that you would hear if you were possibly staying in New York. So when the Saints go marching in is one. So when you play that, you will hear the layered effect. Okay. To finish it, just hit stop. Once you've had a little bit of a play at the different songs around the countries, you can go back. And I want you to hit record, and then you can have a go at placing your own song for us to hear. So if you push record, go up and down the scale, you can play different sounds, and it's going to record your piece for us all to hear. When you've finished it, just click finish, and you can hear the piece that you made. All right. So once that piece is complete, hit stop. Then I want you to share your creation. So sharing your creation simply means hitting that share button so that myself and Mrs. Carlin can see it. Click on tap to copy the link. So this is the link that you want down here. Okay. So if you click on that link there, and it's going to paste it on the computer. You need to go back to your Seesaw activity using our 3 dots like last time. Click on the link button, paste the link into that bar, click the green tick, and there is your piece. So when I come to correct your work, I will see this in your journal, and I will just need to click on that link button, and that will open up the piece that you have just made. I'm looking forward to seeing what you have created. If you have any difficulties getting your piece across from Blop Opera into Seesaw, please don't hesitate to contact myself and Mrs. Carlin. But it's exactly the same process as last time. You just need to hit that share button and then highlight or click on that link down the bottom. That's where we get it from, and then come across. Lovely. Have a lovely time. Enjoy today's lesson. I thought it might be a bit of fun, and we will be in touch soon. Bye.